Good morning to our expected coordinator, teachers and my lovely friends. It's me Anjal Chaudhary from grade 5A1. Today I am going to give a short presentation on the topic Small Good Deeds Big Change. This topic means we don't have to do big things to make our world a better place. Even a tiny act of kindness make a big difference. Just like a small drop of water helps to make a grand ocean. At school, we can do good deeds by sharing pencil or sitting friend who is lonely. And if we keep our classroom clean, that becomes better place for everyone. If we help friend who is sad, we can bring a smile on their face. So we all try to do at last one good deeds every day. Remember, we don't need to do big things to make the difference. Thank you.